Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Ratcliffe again. We're going to read in just a few moments the story, A Gift from Mom. But remember in part one, I told you that there were going to be two new sight words. The word said and says. You're going to see both of these words in the story, A Gift from Mom. So before I read the story, the purpose for listening to this story today is to find out exactly what is the gift from Mom. At the end, Ms. Ratcliffe's going to ask you to kind of play the question and answer game with your parents, where you might ask them a question from the story and they answer it, or your parents can ask you a question and then you answer. So here's the story, A Gift from Mom. A gift from Mom. Once, Mom got the kids a gift. The gift was in a big black box. Mom set the box on the rug. "Is it a truck?" Zach said. "No," Mom said. "It's not a truck." "I bet it's a hat," Ann said. "No," Mom said. "It's not a hat." Let's stop for just a minute and you think about what you think might be in the box from Mom. That's called a prediction, boys and girls. So what do you predict may be in the box? Well, let's find out if your prediction is right. Then the box said, "Roof, roof." Zach slid the lid off the box. A dog sat up. "It's a dog," said Ann. "Yes," said Zach. "Mom's the best." Is that what you thought was in the story, boys and girls? A dog? That seems to be a special gift that Zach and Ann received. So remember, you want to ask your family some questions about this story. And think about, were there any clues that told you what was in the box? Or maybe even now that you know that it's a dog, where do you think Mom got the dog from? Just think of some questions and ask your family to help you answer them, or have your family ask the questions to you. Before Ms. Ratcliffe leaves for the day, I just want to take some time to go over some more of the sight words that we've been learning. And my class uses these little cards in class. We call them snap words, to help us learn our sight words. So I'm just going to go through each of them for you, and you can use this part of the video to help with your sight words or your tricky words. So this is the word the, and when we see this, we just go the. Remember, you can say the or the. The next one is where. The little girl's putting her hand on her head and she's like, "Where are my friends?" All. I have all the gumballs. From. This gift is from Mom. What? The little boy's holding his hands out and asking, "What will I do?" What? Well, here was that new word that Miss McKay talked about. Once, like once upon a time. A. I have a baby doll. Of. The United States of America. One. I have one candle. Was. The butterfly was a caterpillar. No. The little man goes, "No, no, no." I has a hat and shoes. So, who wants to play with me? Which flower will you pick? Which? to. Who is this present to? Why? Why did you put bubble gum all over us? Why? When? You kind of touch your arm and say, when will we leave? And the last one, I don't really have a picture for. It's just the word word. This is the word word. So boys and girls, I hope you enjoy your lesson today, and we'll see you again next lesson. Bye.